Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business strategy with Salesforce easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're on the Salesforce dashboard, navigate to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Profiles. Click on Profiles in the drop-down menu. Select the profile you want to modify for improved strategy protection. Scroll down to the Administrative Permissions section. Find and enable the Customize Application permission. Next, head over to the Object Settings. Select the objects for each object, review the default sharing settings. Make sure they align with your strategy protection needs. Now, click on Sharing Rules. Create new sharing rules as necessary to control access. Back in the Setup menu, type Permission Sets in the Quick Find box. Click on Permission Sets. Create a new permission set to further refine user access. Assign this permission set to key team members involved in the strategy. Next, return to the Setup menu. Type Field Accessibility in the Quick Find box. Review the field accessibility settings for important fields. Adjust settings to ensure sensitive information is restricted. After that, click on Audit Trail in the Setup menu. This feature tracks configuration changes made to your Salesforce environment. Regularly review the audit trail for any unauthorized changes. Finally, automate regular backups by setting up Salesforce Data Export. This ensures all critical business strategy data is protected and recoverable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.